Hi, I'm Cliff from American Business Telephone and Technologies. Just want to take a moment today to talk to you about the IPitomy phone system, IPitomy Voice over IP. And in front of me I have our IPitomy demo system just to kind of show you today what VoIP has to offer through IPitomy. I have our demonstration KSU here. And just to kind of be similar to most networks that people have in their small office, we got a router, I've got a switch, which this one has PoE, and this unit on the top here is for putting the phone lines in. So you can take regular phone lines or SIP internet phone lines and put them into the PBX. So you have the opportunity to use what you got or upgrade to internet phone lines, which save you money. So moving right along, we'll show you some of the different models for the IPitomy phones. We have the basic model, the 220, which is good for like a hallway or a back room or something like that. It's a nice phone. Speakerphone built in, full display with caller ID. Flywheel for accessing different options. Also has a voicemail button, so you could hit the password. Go right in to get your voicemail messages and things like that. And we also have the IP320, which is a phone which is capable of accessing two lines at the same time. They can access as many lines as you want by using the park range, but you could actually process two calls at the same time on the IP320. Full speakerphone, full capability to mute the handset, and the speaker. If you hit that button, you mute both the handset or the speaker, depending on what you're doing. Has a headset button. Also has a menu key which lets you go through different features such as call history, missed calls, received calls, dialed numbers. So if I hit missed, it just shows you that I missed those two calls and they went to voicemail. These are the soft keys here, so we have paging, voicemail, pause, conference. They can pretty much be programmed for whatever your needs are. Volume settings, crank the volume up, bring the volume back down, that type of thing. This phone is the IPitomy 410 set, and it's capable of processing 4 lines at the same time. So if you had emergency services or something, or a lot of calls, it would automatically, as you switch from line to line, put the other call on hold or park so you're able to take the next call, and it will display it in the display as the calls come in. Of course, you can park the calls and go back to them just like you would on hold on any phone. So the difference between the 320 and the 410, 320 has a smaller display, the 410 has a bigger display. And on the back of the phones, you can actually plug your computer in. So if you want to have an independent network just for the phones, you could do that. Or you could plug your computer directly into the back and hang your computer off the phone so you don't have to do more cabling. So just an idea. Since I'm holding the phone, on the side here is some jacks too, so you could actually put a standard headset into this, plug it in, and use it as your headset for your desk. And then you just control the phone by the headset key. Just a quick thing here on programming. This is the screen that is called the dashboard. And the beauty of the dashboard is it'll show you all of your activity in terms of like caller ID, all the numbers you dialed, people that dialed you. And you can also get your voicemails here too. You hit the voicemail key and it'll go directly to a site here, and you can actually select voicemail, listen to it. I've already listened to mine, but you can listen to it here. You can also listen to your voicemails at the phone, or you can go and actually get them as an email attachment, listen to the audio file in your inbox. So there's a variety of things that you can do. And from this screen you can also dial. You can hit the number and it'll pick up your extension and you can dial right out, just to make things easier for you. This screen right here is actual programming of the system. So it's all done from an intuitive login screen. You can go and make all the changes on the telephones, anything, just by basically point and click. Groups, whatever I want to do. Voicemail, let's see, what do we got here? Just a couple of quick things. Pop up, let's say music on hold. If I wanted to upload files, I just click on it, and then I'd upload the music on hold file that I wanted to be on my system. You can even have music on hold per extension. Just a quick perusal again here for equipment. I have a PoE switch, which is power over Ethernet. These phones will also power from a transformer. So if you don't have a PoE switch, a power over Ethernet switch, you can power from the transformer itself. So just a couple of things. All these phones can be used in your office, and you can also use them as a remote phone. They can be configured. You can take them phone, have them at your house. You may have a remote office somewhere where you want an extension, and that's one of the beauties of having something like this, is being able to make it a remote type telephone. So just some ideas. If you have a need and you're interested in something for a replacement phone system for your office, we also service all different types. But if you're looking to do a cost-effective installation, a change out, this is extremely competitive to things like Cisco and Avaya. It's basically would be half the price and lots of features. So thank you very much for taking a quick tour of the IPitomy VoIP system, and have a great day.